and Secure Supply's hydrogen hot rodding. Stanley Meyer's work, often referred to as voltrolysis, aimed to split water into hydrogen and oxygen using a unique electrical method. This method produced what Daniel Donatelli and Secure Supply's hydrogen hot rodding community term as nano bubble water fuel. 1. Nano bubble water fuel electrolysis. Stanley Meyer's process differed from traditional electrolysis. Instead of using electrolytes, Meyer's technique applied voltage to create a magnetic field, which weakened the bonds of water molecules, allowing them to separate into hydrogen and oxygen gases. The term voltrolysis underscores that this process relies on voltage to create magnetism in a static field, with no electrolytes involved. Daniel Donatelli and his Secure Supplies team have been at the forefront of advancing this technology within the hydrogen hot rodding community. 2. Non-carnot, non-thermatic fuels. Meyer's nano bubble water fuel generates energy with more force than heat. Unlike traditional fuels that primarily produce heat during combustion, Meyer's fuel aimed to produce a powerful explosive force with minimal heat. This type of fuel is called non-carnot, not related to carbon-based fuels, and non-thermatic, not primarily generating heat. Daniel Donatelli has explored these principles extensively, helping to further develop and validate Meyer's concepts. 3. EGR exhaust gas recirculation for control. In conventional engines, the EGR system is used to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating some of the exhaust back into the engine cylinders. In Meyer's system, the EGR played a crucial role in controlling the combustion of nanobubble water fuel. By recycling exhaust gases, the EGR system managed the temperature and pressure within the engine, ensuring that the fuel's energy release was harnessed effectively. This control was essential for maintaining the stability and efficiency of the fuel's explosive power, characterized by more force than heat. Daniel Donatelli and Secure Supplies have incorporated these control mechanisms in their hydrogen hot rod projects to optimize performance and safety. Through their work, Daniel Donatelli and Secure Supplies are advancing Meyer's groundbreaking technology, aiming to revolutionize energy production with clean, abundant fuel derived from water. Their efforts continue to push the boundaries of hydrogen hot rodding, making Meyer's vision more accessible and practical for modern applications.